Hello and welcome to the ChurchPlus YouTube channel. We are thrilled that you joined us today. In this video, we will learn how to send emails and use other email features of the ChurchPlus Administrative Solution. Open the ChurchPlus Administrative Solution and enter your credentials to log into the system. Navigate to the menu area. Click on Communication. Click on Email. On the email page, you can do the following using the submenus. View sent emails. Compose emails and save them as drafts. Schedule email. By units. To compose an email, click on the big blue Compose button. Select the destination of the email. You can easily send emails to all contacts, groups, and individuals. Add the subject of the email. Personalize emails to your members by inserting the Ashnimesh tag anywhere in the body of your mail where you want the name of your members to show. For example, Hello Ashnimesh. You can also insert an image by clicking the ellipse icon and clicking on the image icon. We wish you a joyous and prosperous new month. At ChurchPlus, we are grateful for your continuous support as we provide church administration solutions for the church to enhance growth and visibility. As a new month unfolds, may divine grace guide your ministry's path. May your efforts bear abundant fruit and may your congregation experience profound spiritual growth. Amen. To endless growth. ChurchPlus team. Note that members' names not saved on the software will receive emails without their names attached to it. Once you have composed your email, carefully review the message and recipients for accuracy before clicking on the blue Send button. If you want to schedule your email to be sent later, click on the arrow beside the Send Email button. Then click on Schedule. Choose the date and time. Then click the blue Schedule button. You can also save compose emails as draft. Don't forget that you can send your church newsletters, updates and happenings, morning devotions, and event invitations as emails to your church members. Finally, you can use other tools within the ribbon area to format your email based on your needs. I hope you learned something. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For any questions or support, please email us at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.